Hi everyone, thank you again for tuning in. Today I am bringing you another eye look, and this time it's a spring look. It's very easy, very simple steps. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be using my Carly Babel Deluxe Edition palette, and actually got it from BH Cosmetics, and it is an online store in the US. I bought it over there because it's actually much cheaper than here in South Africa. So I just wanted to show you the colors. These are the colors. It's very pretty and very appropriate for spring. So the colors I'm going to be using is these two, and yeah, maybe that one. So these three colors, and then these are the highlighters, so I will use this pink highlighter. Now I'm gonna prime my lids with my Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. This is just to make sure that the colors are popping and they're very vibrant on the eye. I'm gonna start with this color in the crease, followed by this color right underneath, and then this shimmery color on the lids. Now I'm going in with the second color, the matte color, right underneath the crease. Sort of like a dark orange. I'm going to pick up the shimmery color with my fingers because I find that the pigment will show more than if I picked it up with a brush. And I'm just going to apply it all over the lid. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go back with the fluffy brush and just to blend everything together. So underneath the eyes, I'm just going to apply one color, and I'm going to take this purpley mauve-ish color. For the inner corner highlights and just highlighting on my face in general, I'm going to use this pink highlighter right here. So I'm going to use this small brush to go in the corners of my eye. And it's just such a nice pink highlighter. So I just want to show you guys how easy it is to achieve an eye look. I know a lot of people sometimes use like 5 different colors. It's not necessary. It just goes with what look that you're trying to achieve. Also underneath the brow bone, highlight there. So this lifts the eyebrow. And also guys, I have been having like a bad hair month, let me say. So that is why you see the dooks. But I'm hoping to do my hair this weekend, so yeah, look out for that. For mascara, I'm going to use the Falsies Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. eyelashes, I'm going to use the Ilo eyelashes in the style Flower Girl. Now guys, you can use eyelashes up to 10 times, 20 times. Like, it's your money, so you better reuse them. You don't have to throw them away after the first use. Now for the lips, I'm going to use NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Stockholm. I'm also just going to use my MAC lip liner in the color Night Moth. And then to finish off the look, of course, my setting spray from Essence. And this is the final spring look. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I had fun creating this look. It was my first time playing around with these colors. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Before I close out today's video, I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Nero. So thank you so much for being part of the family. If you want a subscriber shout out, or if it's your first time coming to the channel, please just hit the red button down below, and also just hit the bell next to it so you know of every time I post a video. And I have to love and leave you guys, but may your day be ever flawless as your makeup.